The cosmic microwave background, CMB, often hailed as the afterglow of the Big Bang, is one of the most profound sources of information we have about the early universe. Emerging approximately 380,000 years after the Big Bang, these microwaves offer us a snapshot of the universe in its infancy. What's even more fascinating are the tiny fluctuations or temperature differences present within the CMB. These minute variations are not just random noise. They played a critical role in the formation of the large-scale structures we see across the cosmos today. By studying these fluctuations, scientists can trace the seeds from which galaxies, stars, and even clusters eventually grew, providing deep insights into the evolution and expansion of the universe.